This is a renovation project for an apartment located on a hill in Minami-Azabu, known as a residential area in Tokyo. The site is quiet and blessed with abundant nature, and although the apartment faces north, it has a great view and is filled with stable, soft light during the day. As the residence is long from north to south, it is important to make use of the light. The entire space needs to be in a bright color palette, but considering the location of the apartment and the household demographics, it also needs to have a calm and calming feel. While thinking about this, I had the opportunity to hear about Zelkova wood during a discussion with Karimoku Furniture. Zelkova wood has long been used as a building material for temples and shrines, and as a material for high-end furniture, but in recent years demand has decreased due to changes in lifestyle, and it is said that it is not being used effectively. In response to this situation, Karimoku Furniture was looking for new ways to use Zelkova wood, and they focused on its grain and appearance to see if it could be used as a furniture material. When they saw the Zelkova wood sample, they felt that the gentle reddish color along with the story of the wood would be a good match for this project, and decided to create an interior using Zelkova wood. In addition, as part of a collaborative project with Karimoku Furniture, Karimoku Case is one of the cases, and furniture is designed to fit the space, including new sofas, chairs, and coffee tables.